Okay. Okay. Actually, I have just Victoria set for me 5 minutes to present the agriculture of the Szigetköz region. Szigetköz, this is the region where the Hungarian site is. The German name is Schüttinsel. Yeah. Where is Hungary? Where is Szigetköz? Hungary is a Central European country spanning 93 square kilometers of the Carpathian Basin, as Zoltán mentioned. Hungary's geography has traditionally been defined by its two main waterways, the Danube and the Tisza rivers. The Danube flows north-south right through the center of Hungary, and the entire country lives with the drainage basin. And the Szigetköz, as you see, is located in the northwest of Hungary. It is our university, Mosonmagyaróvár, our city, and actually this is the largest European alluvial plain between the Old Danube and the Moson-Danube branch, covering an area about 370 square kilometers. Yeah, this is this area. I hope you see my third slide. This is the Szigetköz region. This is the Schüttinsel. Yeah. Some pictures. This is a typical food plain. The region has one of the richest areas of the flora and the fauna in Hungary, but I think in all Europe. But it's also a region of significant agricultural activity, both on the large and the small farm scale. The whole Szigetköz area is a Nature 2000 site, actually. Szigetköz unique status explains the outstanding importance of its wetlands habitats. Due to the region's particular geological and geomorphological, climatic, hydrological, and soil properties, great habitat diversity has developed, which in turn support the high biodiversity. The Szigetköz area has an exceptionally high ecological and landscape value, even on the European scale. Some challenges, changes in temperature and growing season might also affect the proliferation of the spreading of some species, such as insects, invasive weeds, or diseases, all of which might in turn affect, of course, the crop yields. Agriculture needs to be adapted more and more to the extreme weather conditions or challenges. We cannot always use the same trends, agricultural practices which were connected to the previous weather connection. Next slide. Yes, this is just very shortly the soil types in this area. The Szigetköz soils were formed on the Danube alluvium. The uppermost sediment is the soil forming rock of the landscape. The development of the soils, which originally developed from the loose Danube sediment, in the results of the topography, climatic, and the hydrological conditions. But Victoria is the real expert of the different soil types. Probably she will give us more information related to this. Production areas in Szigetköz. As you see, 58% of the Szigetköz farmland is used the agricultural activities. 38 the forests, and 4% as reed, actually, and the fish ponds is below the 1%. The agricultural area in the right side, you can see the arable land. This is the most popular. Yeah. The next is the sown area. 65% is the cereals, and 22 is the industrial plants, the sunflower, the rape, and the soya. But I think this is quite common, not only here in our county, but the whole country. The distribution of the cereals area in Győr-Moson-Sopron county. The wheat is the most popular, and the maize and the barley. What is interesting, maybe in the Szigetköz in the 1920s, the ratio of the forest and the field was 60-40 the percent, and the 98 the forest field ratio was 20 and 80, and yeah, this is a quite strong transition. Near natural forest preserve the original species composition of the forest in Szigetköz. Most of them are lowland willow scrubs and willow grove, which occur mainly in the floodplain of the Danube. This is related to the forest. Yes, related to the some pictures of the fauna. 80 native fish species in Hungary, but 60 live in the Szigetköz. I think this is a quite high number. 206 species of birds observed in the Szigetköz represent 57% of the national avifauna, the bird fauna, and of which is more than 150% is protected. Okay. And some pictures related to the flora. We have also protected plant here in the Szigetköz.